So I just got a Temu package. Let's have a look. Now we'll do this over there. Let's see what just came. New trousers. That's for the because of the wind. That's for the bin over there. Those are ties. Metal 3-in-1 screwdriver there. Really tiny. And water thingamajig. Supposed to there you see, and goes in, all secure. See, just like that. Cool. As I said, wasn't really a massive thing from Temu, and pretty cheap, about 16 quid for all that lot. I was expecting this to be bigger, but it's a 3-in-1 screwdriver, so haha. See, one side there, one side there. It's a keychain. Okay. Nothing else in here. Cool. No Temu delivery. Subscribe.